I like to loosen the lock on the, I don't know what you call it, but for the pan handle, and so that it's closer to the camera. Now the reason why I do that is basically so it fits in the bag, you know, without bulging too much. So once I get the bag, and then I put the feet in first. Feet go to this side where, you know, I don't know, side that has like the plasticky name thing. And I'm not sure what the current station policy is. Sometimes there's a little Velcro over covering that sometimes people put over, sometimes people don't. I don't know. You know, whatever Mr. Tim and Mr. Stubbs, Mr. Kelly say, as far as that's what goes. So then let's go ahead and zip it up. And the way that you know that it's put in properly is that when you pick it up, it's balanced. Okay? So it's very easy to tell. Now I'm going to show you the wrong way, just because I don't know, because I'm teaching you. So if it's put in the wrong way, yeah, it'll fit, you know. Where there's 4 feet, you know, to the left or 4 feet to the right, it's still 4 feet, for example, even though this ain't 4 feet. Now, when I pick it up, you see that? It's not balanced. It's harder to carry. So if I wanted to carry it like this, I'm struggling a bit more. You guys get that? So, yeah, that's the end of your equipment exam. Like this, that's the end of this video. Thanks.